All right. Well, it wasn't raining this hard when I left the house, so that's that. And then we're looking a little waterlogged out here, which I'm not super excited about, but usually I run down there for my warm-up, but you know what? I'm still gonna do it. Alright. Alright. You guys ready? You guys ready to make it happen? Alright. Easy 6, we'll say. Or whatever the loop is out, whatever the... Well, I don't know what the hell that loop is called, but... the one I usually do is the one we'll do. And we'll go this way for the warm-up. Cool house. It's pretty waterlogged out here. I'm not sure what I was thinking when I said, oh, it's raining. Why don't we come out here? It's known for dry paths and good drainage, but it's not. And I did. So. Is what it is. Still gonna have a good time. Try to stay out of the puddles for as long as I can, but once it happens, it happens. Actually feels like it's let up a little bit, but that might be because I'm in the, you know, because I'm kind of covered, but who knows? Who knows? I haven't been on this side of the trail at all, because I've never seen the little you know, the bike things. So, race day is over. The fuck am I doing out here? So I don't actually know which way the bridge is. Get down there. If I gotta ring the bell to go over that, that seems kind of weak. Seems kind of weak. The river flowing down right now. Alright. What the fuck's going on over here? I haven't been on the side, so I guess I'm just trying to kind of see where I am before I commit. It's fucking pouring out here. Soaked to the bone. And it doesn't really matter if I stop now or continue to go because, well, because I'm soaked. So. Just a random house, middle of nowhere. They've got an awesome spot right on, I think this is Turnbull Bay. But it's, they got they got the spot for sure. Must be a little kayak launch. Awesome out here, man. If we need some kayaks, we need some kayaks and the ability to find that parking lot. So I've been to the, I thought I had been to the East Trailhead. I thought that's where Jeff learned how to ride his bike, and so I'm not sure if this is somewhere in between the two, but well, it must be somewhere in between the two, but I'm happy that I explored a little bit. So obviously I'm right here, and usually, you know, I park here and I run all that. So it's nice to, I don't know, see the rest of the loop. So we'll see if I can actually connect to it and run. We'll see. Fuck. I don't remember which way I went. West is where I want to go. So that way? That way? Well, we'll see. Holy shit. It's deceptively deep there. Well, all things considered, pretty good run actually. I feel really good. The rain isn't bothering me at all, really. Feet are soaked, obviously, but you know, they feel good. So, had I known it was going to rain this hard, I probably wouldn't have run, but it's all good. That sucks. Well, you dropped it. But the power's still on, so whatever. Fucking crazy. That's a lot of water. A lot of water for sure. Good run, about an hour and 20 minutes. A little over 6.25. Felt good the whole run. Rain was, I don't know. Probably played a factor, but I don't know, it felt good. Felt good to be out in it. Felt good. Maybe the only thing was, you know, stuff like that. I'm not a huge fan of that, but you know, I'm the knucklehead that parked over there, so I kind of deserve it, I think. So. That's all I got. So hope everyone has a great day. Hopefully it's not raining where you are, but even if it is, get out there and stay on the path.